How do operators move from 4G to 5G without adding new spectrum? Refarming flips LTE bands to 5G new radio. And DSS keeps both running at the same time.
Welcome back to 5G RF Features Explained. In this episode, we'll uncover how mobile operators run LTE and 5G on the same frequencies at the same time. It's called dynamic spectrum sharing, or DSS, the key to a smoother, faster, and more cost-efficient 5G rollout. Spectrum is the lifeblood of wireless networks, and is always in short supply. By the time 5G arrived, most of it was already filled with LTE. Getting new spectrum can take years. Auctions, regulation, coordination. So engineers ask, why make use existing LTE bands, so both LTE and the new radio? This is the idea behind dynamic spectrum sharing, first introduced in 3GPP Release 15. DSS allows LTE and 5G new radio to operate on the same carrier frequency at the same time using the same base station and antennas. The scheduler dynamically assigns time and frequency resources, sometimes to LTE users, sometimes to new radio users, depending on network demand. This dynamic resource allocation is done in milliseconds, making DSS highly efficient and transparent to users. To achieve this, DSS uses a common physical layer structure between LTE and the new radio. Both systems share synchronization signals, reference signals, and control channels, but the scheduler ensures that LTE and the new radio don't collide in time or frequencies. For new radio users, DSS uses long standalone mode, while LTE handles control signaling and the new radio provides high-speed data. This allows faster deployment without replacing the entire LTE infrastructure. The advantages of DSS are clear. Faster 5G rollout with existing LTE hardware, flexible spectrum use, adjusting LTE versus new radio share dynamically, smooth user experience, as both LTE and the new radio devices can be served simultaneously. Cost efficiency, since no new spectrum auction or refarming delay is needed. Operators can launch 5G nationwide in weeks by activating DSS through software updates. While DSS helps short-term, operators also plan spectrum refarming, the gradual relocation of LTE spectrum entirely to new radio. Refarming typically happens when 5G adoption increases and the LTE traffic decreases. Then LTE carriers are shut down or narrowed, freeing bandwidth for pure new radio operation. Refarming is a step-by-step process, from DSS coexistence to partially LTE release to full 5G new radio carrier deployment. Together, DSS and refarming provide a strategic evolution path, immediate 5G deployment with DSS, and long-term spectrum optimization through refarming. This ensures a smooth and cost-effective journey from 4G LTE to 5G new radio, leveraging existing assets and minimizing disruption. Dynamic spectrum sharing and refarming allow 5G to grow fast, intelligently, efficiently, and economically. In our next episode, we'll look at 5G power control and link adaptation, how networks fine-tune RF performance in real time. That's all for today. If you like this video, please subscribe, share, and like. Thank you.